Hey and welcome to my Trendio review. It's Nico here, and in this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Trendio is brought to you by Dr. Amit Parikh, also the creator of Web Primo, Kaiza, Coursova, Agentices, Videos, Max Funnels, and many other high-quality software products. In this video, I am gonna tell you everything you need to know about Trendio Software. What exactly it is, pricing, bonuses, and how it will help you in your business. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. And this is coming up. Did you actually think of what takes into making them viral? It's giving users, followers, the stuff they want. Yes, internet users, text wrapping break want bit-sized, snackable content. And most of us are in haste to create new content. Listen, creating viral content is not easy. It requires writing skills, finding the vera stuff, adding graphics, video clips, and sharing. And you lazy goofy can't do it. So wake up and pay attention to this. You can harness the power of viral content with content curation technology and share it with your lists, subscribers, and push your offers along with it. Interested? If you answer yes, then you need to check my Trendio review below. What is Trendio? Do you know what most internet marketers secretly want? They want free traffic, and they want someone to do all the work for them, so they can sit back, relax, and let the sites make them money. I know you are one of them. What if I told you there was one magical software that did all this on its own? Yes, one single software that combines both the things you desperately want, creating unique content and getting free traffic, and doing it for any number of sites you want. Are you sick and tired of wasting hours of your time and money for building authority sites and paying a ton of money getting top quality content for them? Let me tell you that authority sites are largely content-driven sites that bring free traffic from multiple channels and generate revenue. So, today I came with good news. My friend Dr. Amit has created a brand new authority site builder, Trendio, that builds instant one-click authority affiliate sites in any niche like StumbleUpon.tm, Scoop.it, DigTM, etc. With just one software, Trendio, you can. The Trendio software creates fully automated self-updating sites that make money and earn commissions every single day from free traffic. In the details, Trendio is a breakthrough AI technology that automatically creates beautiful, traffic-pulling websites packed with trendy content and videos in any niche from any keyword in next 60 seconds. Trendio is a brand new app that's not like anything you've seen before, and it leverages a unique hack that gets us free buyer traffic and makes us money with no selling required. It is a magical software to create fully automated viral content blogs in less than 1 minute. No writing, no technical work, no social posting ever. It will make money every single day from free traffic. The Trendio software helps research and locate viral and unique content from top viral content sites and help build your website that make money and earn commissions every single day from free traffic. With this quick and easy trend system, you can profit from breaking news every single day. Simply plug in the hottest trend of the day into Trendio, create a HOT news site around the trend, then offer the product the trend is about. Trendio will save you time, money, and make it even easier to build fully automated self-updating traffic sites that make money and earn you commissions every single day. In fact, just one automated site can bank you $500 per month. Not only that, it allows you to curate top quality content and gets you Facebook, viral, and search traffic to boost sales and affiliate commissions without paying any fees forever. The software is 100% cloud-based, so it runs perfectly on any operating system. No installation or download required. Is a breakthrough technology that actually works on 3 levels to make you profits. Stop wasting your time and energy on doing things that don't work and don't make you any money. Create profitable automated content sites and get 100% free traffic using Trendio without any paid campaigns, without any ads, and without any extra cost. Whether you are an experienced marketer or new to internet marketing, using Traffics Pro you can instantly launch a fresh, self-growing viral social content sites and promote hundreds of products and start earning commissions daily. Does Trendio worth your money? Trendio is for you. Now you can create sites that get 100% free content and traffic in 2 minutes. They made it so simple and powerful so that anyone, even if you are NEW to this whole internet software or this make money online experience, you can use this software and get results. If you tried every other software out there promising to find you mines filled with gold and then never got any result from it, you need to try this. Stop wasting your time and energy on doing things that don't work and don't make you any money. Create profitable automated news content sites and get 100% free traffic using Trendio without any paid campaigns, without any ads, and without any extra cost. Just select the keywords, Add to Trendio, press one button, and create your automated sites in a few minutes. Start getting free traffic and earning passive income from your news content sites without any manual work. You just need News Profix Pro and 60 seconds of your time to get started. I'm totally satisfied after checking Trendio. It works in any niche without ever worrying about traffic. All the boring things like creating unique content and getting free traffic is done by one single software. It will help you and many other people for sure. Grab your Trendio license now, completely risk-free. Your investment is covered by the no-hassle, money-back guarantee. And say yes now to living a laptop lifestyle that gives you an ability to spend more time with your family and have complete financial freedom. Absolutely no life-draining tech skills required to make this software work for you. Never again you'll have to do stupid, boring, repetitive tasks ever again. And no more hard-to-follow, complicated training materials that make you pull your hair out. I don't want you to wait any longer on this and end up paying more than you have to for Trendio, which is why I've put together this section of Trendio Review that gives you 7 big reasons why you need to get Trendio right now. Inside Trendio, you get everything you need to get no-cost buyer traffic and make money without any selling required. With Trendio, you don't need an email list, you don't need any technical skills, and you don't need any prior experience to start getting no-cost buyer traffic and making money right away. Trendio is for you. No matter what business or niche you're in, if you need passive income, this is the software for you. If you tried every other software out there promising to find you mines filled with gold and then never got any result from it, you need to try this. That's correct. There's absolutely no match to the power-packed Trendio platform. It's built with years of experience designing, coding, debugging, and real user testing to help get you maximum results. When it comes to creating super engaging websites for any business need, no other software even comes close. Trendio gives you the power to literally crush your competition. So, now let me tell you my Trendio overview. Lately, we all have been into this digital marketing stuff. We all have experienced the power of content, video, viral stuff going immensely popular on social platforms. Did you actually thought of what takes into making them viral? It's giving users, followers, the stuff they want. Yes, internet users want bit-sized, stackable content, and most of us are in haste to create new content. Creating viral content is not easy. It requires writing skills, finding the Vera stuff, adding graphics, video clips, and sharing. So, wake up and pay attention to this. You can harness the power of viral content with content curation technology and share it with your lists, subscribers, and push your offers along with it. You are curating the hottest trends, content plus video, and now adding your affiliate links inside. You share them to your users. Simple, viral stuff spreads like fire. You have the maximum reach, and all this can be achieved with Trendio. Grab your Trendio license now, completely risk-free. Your investment is covered by the no-hassle, money-back guarantee. I hope you find my Trendio review helpful. If this is a product that you're interested in picking up, then click the first link in description below and get Trendio with my free bonuses. If you purchase from the link in the description box, I'm going to provide you with a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram, send the screenshot of your purchase, and I will send you the bonus. Thank you so much for watching my Trendio review. I'll catch you up in my next review video. Bye for now.